Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Caitlin. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Today we're going to be making a card with the Cricut. The first thing you want to do is find and open the Cricut Design Space software. In the search bar, look for your topic of choice for the program, so an example is a Halloween card. You want to click on your project or image and that will insert it into the main grid. It'll show you which mat it's going to be on and what kind of colors you'll need. You want to save your project. Select your material, so it could either be vinyl or cardstock for this card, and make sure that the tools are loaded properly into the machine. Usually we have a fine point blade in the Cricut. Place your cardstock on one of the sticky Cricut mats. We usually go over the top corners of the white grid. Then place the mat into the Cricut and press the load/unload button when it is flashing. Then press the flashing Cricut button. Press the load/unload button again when the job is complete and remove the mat. If you have multiple mats of different colors, then reload the mat and repeat. Use a hooked object to peel off your vinyl, your iron-on, or in this case, use your hand to take off the cardstock pieces that are stuck to the mat. If you bend the mat away from you, it may be easier to take off the pieces without bending them. If you are using vinyl or iron-on, you can attach transfer paper to the vinyl at this point in order to attach it to a surface. Or, for assembling a card like this one, then take the pieces and glue them on according to what the Cricut directions tell you. If needed, peel off the transfer tape for vinyl or iron-on, or for this card, just let the glue dry. And congratulations! You've made your first card on the Cricut.
We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.